Hello everyone. In this video we are discuss about important point that is cash book. Cash book is used to keep record of all transaction related to cash receipt and cash payment. This serves the purpose of both journal as well as ledger account. It is also a book of original entry because the transactions are recorded from the source document for the first time. When cash book is maintained, transactions are not recorded in journal. In big organizations such as bank, there are separate cash book for cash recipient and the cash payment. So next discuss about the type of cash book. So cash book is divided into four types. There cash single columnar cash book, two columnar cash book, three columnar cash book, and next one that is last one petty cash book. So go with first type, that is single columnar cash book. In single columnar cash book, which contain only one column, or it is called as a amount. A cash account is divided into two vertical section by central vertical line. First, debit entries are made on left hand side and the written abbreviation DR at the top of left corner. The word to is written on before debit entry. Second section, that is credit entries, are made on right hand side and CR is written on top on right corner. The word buy is written before the credit entry. Here the format of single columnar cash book. Next type, that third type, that is the two columnar cash book. In that two columnar cash book, it is great importance of discount in cash transaction. If a businessman receives or allow cash discount, then two columnar cash book is needed to be recorded. Two columnar cash book, it is having two column. First column, that is discount, it is having nominal account, and second column, that is cash, and it is having real account. In discount, the total of discount column of each side are done without balancing. In cash account, cash columns are recorded in the same way as in the simple cash book with the balancing. What is discussed about simple cash book? That credit entry on credit side and debit entry on debit side. Next, that is each item of discount are allowed recorded to credit side in respective personal accounts. Same, each items of discount received is posted to the debit side on respective personal account. So here the format of two columnar cash book. Next, third type, that is the three columnar cash book. In that, it is the popular form of cash book. It is having three column. First, in that discount, it is undergo nominal account. Second, cash, it is undergo real account. And third one, that is bank, it is having a personal account. In cash discount, discount allowed to party, in that entry is enters into the debit side, or discount received from party, it is enters into the credit side. So rule for cash account, cash column, if amount is received, then it is entry is on debit side. If amount is paid, then entry is credit side. When cash is received, then sent to bank for deposit. Then bank account is debit side and cash account is credit side. So this is about the format of three columnar cash book. Next important type, that is fourth one, petty cash book. In petty cash book, every business organization a large number of small payments such as for convenience, stationery, postage, telegrams, cartage, and the other miscellaneous expenses are made. If all these payments are handled by cashier, then are recorded in cash book. The procedure is found to very embarrassing. The cashier will unnecessarily overburden, and big cash book is recorded to maintain all accounts. To avoid this, petty cashier is appointed who makes all small payments and records them in cash book, which is called as petty cash book. Example, the petty cashier work on the impressed system, that is definite sum known as impressed money. is given to the petty cashier to make small payments out of it. When he spent major proportion of his imprest money, that is 4920, he get embarrassment of amount spent from the main cashier, so he will have full imprest amount again. The reimbursement may be made to the petty cashier on weekly, monthly, on frequency on payment made. Advantages of petty cash book: in that it saves labor, because by preparing petty cash book, all petty expenses are neither recorded in the cash book nor in the ledger. Second, it saves time of head cashier, as the petty expenses are recorded in the petty cash book. It is very simple to record all petty expenses in various columns of petty cash book. There are less chance of fraud, as it is essential to keep voucher of all petty expenses. These are the format of the petty cash book. So this is all about the cash book and type of cash book we are discussed on this video. Thank you.